Hi everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a complete tour of the Clipchamp video editor interface. Let's start from the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find your main tools for building your video. The first section is where all your imported files are stored. Any videos, images, or audio you bring into the project will appear here. Right below that is a section where you can record your voice or video directly using your microphone or webcam. You can do this without leaving the editor. Then there's access to Clipchamp's stock library. This includes free and premium videos, sound effects, and music tracks you can use in your projects. You'll also see a section for templates. These are pre-designed video layouts that help you get started faster, especially if you're not sure how to begin. You can also add text to your video by selecting from different styles and fonts. These can be used for titles, subtitles, or captions. There's a section for transitions, where you can add smooth visual changes between your clips like fades or slides. And if you're working with a brand, there's a space to store and apply your brand elements, such as your logo, colors, and custom fonts. Now let's move to the top center of the screen. This is where your video plays while you edit. You can preview each change here as you work. You can resize or crop the video by dragging the white handles around the clip. Above the preview area, there's a toolbar with common tools like rotate, crop, flip, and fill the screen. On the right side of this bar, you can change your project's aspect ratio, for example, widescreen or vertical video. There's usually an icon that shows your cloud backup status, letting you know if your media is synced and saved online. And when your video is ready, the export button is right here too. Clicking this starts the rendering and download process. Now on the right side of the screen, you'll find tools that change depending on what you've selected. If you click on a video clip, the panel shows options related to that clip. At the top, you'll see the name of the clip. You can adjust its volume or mute it completely. You can detach the audio, which lets you move or edit the sound separately from the video. There's also a feature to add captions or subtitles. You'll find several tools for editing audio, like applying a fade in or fade out. There are visual filters you can apply to change the mood or style of the video. You can add effects to give your clips more impact. There are color adjustment tools to fine-tune brightness, contrast, and other visual elements. And you can change the speed of the clip, either slow it down or speed it up. Now let's look at the bottom of the screen, the timeline. This is where you arrange and edit your video and audio clips. The video track is shown in blue. This is where your visual content lives. You can cut, split, and move clips here. The green bar underneath is the audio track. This holds background music or voiceovers and can be edited separately. In the middle, there's a vertical line called the playhead. It moves as you preview your video and shows your current position in the timeline. You'll use this area the most while editing, since this is where your full project comes together. And that's the complete walkthrough of the Clipchamp video editor screen. Now that you understand what each section does, you're ready to start editing with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy video editing tutorials.